Okay, so hi dear Taurus, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for singles, Taurus Sun Moon Venus Rising for the month of January 2026. Uh, okay, what else? Okay, I am conducting a 7 days live workshop for manifestation where you can learn to manifest a brand new life, whatever you want to manifest in your life: love, relationship, health, money, job, career. I'm going to tell you the tools and techniques to unlock the power of your seven chakras and then how to manifest effortlessly. This is going to be live workshop. If you are not available, this is from 20 till the 26th of January. You can get the recordings afterwards and it's going to stay with you for 3 months. So let's start, Taurus. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the same. Your current energy or energies regarding your love and relationship area right now, Taurus. We have Knight of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Four of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Wands. You are slowly, very, very slowly heading towards that kind of people, that kind of energies, that kind of situations that is leading to long term partnerships. It's not about romantic love only, it's actually about your life, Taurus, right now. But you are very, very disappointed because things are very, very slow. Either you are deliberate, even if you are making them deliberately slow, even if you are not jumping from one thing to another, it's kind of disappointing for you because you're not getting that kind of satisfaction when it comes to a love and relationship area the way you want it, the kind of connections, the kind of bonds, the kind of relationship you're looking forward to have, you're not getting it. And things are really very very slow even if you are deliberately making them slow, right? Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Wands. It's like your intuition is guiding you in certain directions, in certain situations, and you are listening to your intuition too, but somehow you're not feeling satisfied and happy about it. You're like, okay, things are moving so slow, things are moving, actually things are not even moving an inch from where they used to be, but still you feel like, okay, slow and steady is going to win the race. But right now you feel like confused and a little bit disappointed in this department of your life. The options that you have, they're not making you feel like, wow, they are good. The one that is that wants to be with you, who wants to be with you and who is there for you, you are not interested. You're like, nah. So you are basically looking for something else or someone else. The people, the situations that you have right now, they are not making you happy. Mhm. Let's see your energies for a new person, new bond, new connection. We have the Sun, the Nine of Swords, the Six of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Cups. Taurus, there are very, very good chances you are going to meet somebody. They are going to open up your heart chakra like no tomorrow, like crazy. Then you are going to add the pinch of anxiety in that, overthinking, sleepless night, restlessness, because you are going to be continuously worried or continuously in this energy of why the hell this person likes me so much, why they are giving me this much attention, why they are making me feel like this much special or something. Are they hiding some kind of intentions, bad intentions? Are they really a good person? Are they really not a good match for me? You're going to feel very happy about this particular person or situation, by the way, and it's going to make you feel like you're on cloud nine or something. But at the same time, this mix of anxiety, anxious thoughts, restlessness, because you are not looking for love right now, you are taking it slow. And right now, you are in this surrender mode. You are in this energy of, yeah, if it is supposed to happen, it will, and if it is not, it's okay. That is the exact thing that is going to bring you the kind of love that you wanted at some point of time, and you still want it, but you're taking it really slow. And when it's coming in your life, you are mixing all the negative thoughts and anxiety and restlessness and insecurities and fears and everything in this. So there is going to be a new person, new energy around you who is going to, make you feel loved, make you feel seen, and then you are going to be like all continuously in anxious energies of like, what the hell, why they are doing whatever they are doing. Okay. It can be you, by the way, somebody like looking at you and you making them feel very very happy, you are giving them proper attention, you are being a green flag, and they are going to be continuously anxious about why the hell somebody is like doing like this with me. So they might shut down when you are going to approach somebody with this much green flag energies, or the vice versa. Take it how it resonates. But there are very good chances of you meeting a new person by the end of January 2026. Let's see from the romance angel what is the message for you for a new person, new connection. Forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments, right? As you release and heal your past, like you experience more love in present moment. I don't have to explain it to you, it's self-explanatory. Forgiving and learning. Okay, you're doing it, and universe is sending love your way. I don't know if it is a blessing or a lesson for you guys, but there is love coming in your life. How you are going to take it, what you are going to do about it, it's your personal choice, honey. Let's see for a past person, past connection, how it is going to be for you guys till the end of January 2026. Taurus. We have Two of Cups, the High Priestess, King of Swords, bottom of the deck is Eight of Swords. You're letting go of someone you care for. There is silence or there is no contact, but you are going to be quite practical and quite logical about it. It's happening from both the sides actually. The person you still care for, the person who still loves you, there is silence and or no contact, or there is some kind of uh, lack of communication or no communication kind of energy between you guys, but both of you are trying your best to let this go. None of you is trying to make this work out, because if you guys feel like the time has come where both of you have to get out of this mental jail, get out of this trap of this past situation, and you guys have to be practical about the situation. Only love is not enough, only a bond, only a connection is not enough. You guys have to be rational, you guys have to think about it from all the possible angles, then only you guys can move forward. So regarding a past person, past situation, even if there is still going to be love in this bond, in this situation, you guys are not going to take it forward. None of you. You guys are going to be like, okay, let me just do my thing. And they are going to be like, let me just do my thing. And you guys are going to be quite practical about it. Okay. I'll do the no contact reading separately, but it might be somebody you are in contact with. Lack of communication is there or less communication is there, but you guys are still feeling each other's energies very deeply, and there's a sense of no, this is not working. Whenever you think about coming back together or coming together in the situation, both of you feel like this is not going to work out, so what's the use of going in that direction, right? That are your thoughts. Let's see from the romance angel for you guys, for a past person, for this past person or past energy. Love yourself first. Okay, your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Okay. Okay, the messages are coming like crazy for you guys. Maybe in this situation you had to give this person a lot and you were not able to love yourself, and now the universe is teaching you to love yourself first through this situation. So this is for you guys. Okay, for the past person, past situation. Why whatever is happening, because the lesson here is to love yourself first and take care of yourself. Let's see the guidance for you guys here, Taurus, for this month, for singles. We have Three of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Queen of Wands. You know, passion you have right now, the energy you have right now, why not to use it? Hmm. The passion you have right now, the energy that you have right now, Taurus, why not to use it in manifesting your life the way you want it? Hmm? Take help from people, connect with those people who are like minded, who are there for you, who your intuition is guiding you to go ahead with, and create your own reality. This is the time for you to manifest your dream life, Taurus. Okay, this is a time for you to connect with those people, those situations, have those kind of collaborations or partnerships that you were craving for. Universe is going to send you multiple people, multiple energies, multiple situations, and you are going to be intuitively guided to go in certain situations, to go in certain directions, to manifest your dream life, especially related to money, job, career, finances. Right now, your focus should be on that area of your life where your money, job, career, finances are involved, and your health. Okay, right now you should focus on these factors. Everything else, everyone else will follow. Right. Bottom of the deck is a Chariot. Keep moving ahead, Taurus. You are on the right track. You are doing the right thing. You are doing whatever it takes to have a good life. So keep moving forward. Okay, do not look back. The past is in the past for a very, very valid reason. Even if it is going to hurt you or bother you for some time, just keep moving forward, honey. You are doing the right thing. You are on the right track. Don't mess this. Okay, my love? Cool. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular area of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. And I'm going to give it 10 to 15 seconds to get the proper answer for whatever you're asking for. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is you are going in the right direction. So let me tell you. At this moment in time, the path you are on is the right one for you. I told you. This card can also indicate that you're asking the right questions and the direction of your inquiry is correct. I don't make sense with this line. But you're on the right track, you're doing the right thing, keep moving ahead. Whatever you are waiting for or hoping for, it might or might not happen. But whatever you're doing for yourself is working for you. Right. So, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.